I would like to ask one question, which is sort of an obvious question, because we all know, everyone knows that Shailendra ji, Shankar Jaikishan, Hasrat Jaipuri, and Raj Kapoor, they were sort of one soul residing in the 5 different bodies. So, would you like to share some memories of this indispensable and inseparable team?
Vilas, I mean, growing up as a child, we used to see all these people so often at home or other places. The fact is that before Barsat, Raj Kapoor was more well known for being as Prithvi Raj Kapoor, the famous actor's son, rather than having his own identity. He had not developed his own identity yet. Comes Barsat, where Raj Kapoor gives a break to Shankar Jaikishan, unknown musicians, and lyricist Hasrat Jaipuri, and then my father, Shailenji. It was a chemistry that was created with this association of these 5 people, which lingered on or existed till Baba passed away, at least. It was such a bond that could not be broken. Each one contributed towards a common goal of success, and that is what it was. Shankar Jaikishan, Shailendra, and Hasrat Jaipuri, they contributed their best works for Raj Kapoor, but it was not limited to RK Films. It also was for other producers, where they did equally good job. And so this was an indispensable team. Now, talking about personal, each person, I'm giving you my personal view as a child, what impressions I developed as a child. Shankarji was very like a hardy person. I remember he used to have a convertible MG car. I mean, it was like an antique car, but I loved that car. I mean, and then he would come over to the house. He loved mummy's cooking, especially aloo palak and paratha. And oftentimes he would request Baba to have mummy prepare these dishes and send it to Shankar Jaikishan's office. Baba had made it a point in his life that he would visit Shankar Jaikishan's office every morning and dedicated first half of the day to them, and then to other music directors. So he was there, and then he would send the driver home or our chauffeur home to pick up the food for Shankarji. And Shankarji would come over to the house, mingle with the children, and he used to call me Kakaji, and he didn't have to call me Ji, but as a child he would call me even that, and then he would ask me how I'm doing with my violin and practice and so on. And Jaikishan uncle on the other side was an extremely handsome person, and you see his personality, and I can tell you that the women were really just floored by his looks. I mean, his curly hair and fair or light complexion, very good looking. And so we would go to the recordings, and we would see Shankar Jaikishan together at the recording studio, and each conducting the music and even the various sections of the musicians in the studio. Raj Kapoor was, I mean, he loved Baba very much, I know that. And because Baba was very, he was not into pandering, or he was never a yes man. He would tell even Raj Kapoor on his face that, hey, this is not the right way to do it, or this doesn't gel into the film. So, and Raj Kapoor would listen to those ideas, and that is what the team was built on, where ideas were exchanged and accepted, and not shunned, or nobody was reprimanded for coming up with some idea which was contrary to his own view. So I think that led to the success. So, and each one had a chance to come up with the best. Hasrat uncle lived not too far away from us, and so we used to see him very often too. And of course, all of them, that is the whole team after Baba passed away, stayed in touch with us, were concerned about the welfare of the family, were always there to ask about how we are doing and what they could do to help us and stuff like that. And fortunately, we were able to, the siblings, my mother, under her care, we were able to stand on our feet. And thanks to them, I mean, these good souls that they were there for us, and we were able to survive the rough times that we had to face after Baba passed away.
Thank you very much, Manoj ji. Thank you.
बेगानी शादी में अब्दुल्ला दीवाना, ऐसे मनमौजी को मुश्किल है समझाना। बेगानी शादी में अब्दुल्ला दीवाना, ऐसे मनमौजी को मुश्किल है समझाना। बेगानी शादी में अब्दुल्ला दीवाना, ऐसे मनमौजी को मुश्किल है समझाना। है ना